welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Isabella. Thank you so much for being here and I hope you subscribe. And if you are returning, well, thank you so much for coming back. So today we are here filming with a cup of coffee because it's like 7:30 a.m. So I just woke up a few minutes ago and I have my coffee and I am still in PJs, but we are gonna do this video and I hope you enjoy. So today I'm gonna show you what's in my iPhone and how I customized it for Christmas, because I don't know, this year I decided that I was going to customize everything for Christmas. So the only thing that I have left to customize is my MacBook, so stay tuned for that. Maybe I will do a customization video for my MacBook for Christmas. So I hope you enjoyed this video and let's get right to it. Okay, so my phone is the iPhone 11, the purple color. Okay guys, sorry about the glasses, but in order to make this video I need them because I need to look down and my vision hasn't been the best lately. So okay guys, so I'm going to start to screen record. So the first thing that I have is my wallpaper for my lock screen. So this is a wallpaper that I found on Pinterest, and basically it's white snowflakes with a pastel pink background. And if we go to the home page, this is the first page that I have on my phone. So basically every page is color themed. So the first page is green. So the only app that I used for widgets on this particular page is Widgetsmith. So every widget that I have is from Widgetsmith. I do have shortcuts, so that is why I can put app icons on the apps. So the first thing that I have on top is a medium-sized widget, and that's a photo from Pinterest. And basically, if you need inspiration or you need photos or anything, you need to just go to Pinterest and that will make your life so much easier. So this picture I found from Pinterest. Then continuing with the widgets, I have a battery percentage life widget, and I think this is new for Widgetsmith. I really like to have my battery percentage of my phone like very visible, and that has been one of the most useful widgets that I have used. So the widget that I have on the bottom, it's actually a photo also, but this is a photo that I did in Canva. So basically I did a 31 movies to watch for Christmas list, and I just put my favorite movies and I put that on a widget, so I remember what movies I have watched and what movies I need to watch for Christmas. Obviously I got this idea from Pinterest, but I wanted to recreate my own, so let's go to the shortcuts. So on the left I have all the apps that I use on a regular basis, and I have the App Store, Photos, Books, Clock, Pinterest, YouTube Studio, very important, Lightroom, and a bank. This is my first page on my home screen. Then if we swipe, this is my favorite, and this is color themed red, like Christmas red, and it like matches, I think, like with the background, like the actual wallpaper of the phone, and I think it's very cute. So I also only used Widgetsmith for this page, but the first thing that I have on top is a medium-sized widget of the time, because I like also having the time very visible. So when I have to look at the time, I just see it very big on the screen. Next, I have two photos that I thought they were very cute. So both photos are from Pinterest. The one on the left, kind of a collage that I found, and the one on the right, it's kind of snowflakes, like red snowflakes and just Christmassy. I really like that one. And on the bottom I have my shortcuts. I have all of my kind of social media, and these are the apps that I use every day. So I have Snapchat, Instagram, Spotify, Netflix, the settings, calendar, YouTube, and TikTok. So really these are the 2 pages that I customized, like the shortcuts, like the app icons, because they are the kind of the main apps that I use. So I didn't want to make shortcuts for every single app because I have too many apps. So if you scroll to the 3rd page, I now have the actual apps. So on this page, I am using color widgets and motivation. These are 2 different apps that you can download. So on the top, I am using a medium-sized widget, and basically it's a countdown to Christmas, and I really like this feature that color widget has. Like, I put the date that I wanted to make the countdowns. There are 33 days left until Christmas, and I'm so excited. Next on the left, I have my actual apps. I have photo and video. I have 2 categories of photo and video because I have too many apps on that. Social media and GoodNotes because I have my personal planner on GoodNotes and I like using it on my phone. So I'm gonna give you a preview of what I have on my categories. So the first, photo and video, I have many editing apps, YouTube, TubeBuddy, many editing apps. If we swipe, I have all the color widgets, everything on the widgets, and also other editing apps. I have ESPN, very random there. And that is it for this one. If we go to this one, Lightroom, Files, Over, Fonto, Zoom, In Stories, InShot, Highlight Coverage, and Shopify. Then I have my social media. I have Instagram, Snapchat, Netflix, Twitter, Spotify, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and feed preview. So as you can see, my Instagram is white and black, and actually this is a setting that Instagram is having on their app because of their birthday or something like that. I saw this on TikTok and I was so intrigued. So basically, if you go to the app and you press settings and you swipe all the way down, it will take you to this place where you can put whatever type of Instagram icon you want. And well, I chose the light one, but I just changed it to gold. I don't remember the girl that posted this on TikTok, but I know I saw it on TikTok. Then if you swipe, I have Sounds True. This is a meditation app, very good. I have Uber, the Apple TV remote, fitness, the watch, Waze, and IGTV. Then if we go to the right, I have a widget for the app motivation. Lastly, I have on the bottom, I have another color widget, but this is like the calendar. I only have November and it's red. So the last page that I have on my phone is another page with a lot of other apps. For decoration, I just have a large widget of Widgetsmith. It's a photo that I found on Pinterest. It's gold, like rose gold, snowflakes. For the apps, I have extras, like things that the iPhone comes with. I have voice memos, contacts, Find My iPhone, all of this stuff right here. Then I have folder, also apps that the iPhone comes with. I'm not gonna say every single one, but here are the apps. Then I have utilities, also a lot of main apps that the iPhone comes with. I have a bank, the motivation app, I have Time Tree, then I have games, and I just realized I have more editing apps here. I have Darkroom, Afterlight, and Visco. The only games that I have is Among Us and Color. I don't really play that much in my phone. Then I have other utilities like a airline, Uber Eats, food delivery apps in my country. Then I have business, I would say. I have LinkedIn, Classroom, Alibaba, Etsy, PayPal, and Stamp Wallet. And finally, I have college, but I don't actually have a lot of things of college here. I have Forest, a kind of concentration app for studying. I have Quizlet, Dropbox, and Bondtouch because Bondtouch, I have one with my boyfriend because we do long distance. Right now we don't, but we do. And yeah, and then we have all of the apps on here. Oh, and let's not forget the apps on the bottom. These ones I didn't customize. I have phone, Outlook, Safari, and WhatsApp. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was very quick and easy, but I just wanted to upgrade my phone, and I already did an iPad customization for Christmas, and I just wanted to share. It's fun. I just wanted to share how I did it and how I customized it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe, like, and comment. It helps me grow so much. And I hope you're having an amazing Monday and start of the week. So I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one.